Hello, it's Tasha from WTI.
This is another one of my favorite beauty products. It's an essential oil roller with Skin Envy. The smell is delightful and refreshing and light. I really love it. I also think that I love a blend of essential oils, so I don't have to calculate the drops and how much goes together. I love the metal roller ball because it's cold, since it's metal, and it glides so smoothly. This oil is really soft and delightful when I apply it to my skin. And I feel comfortable about all the ingredients that it has in it. Because it's in a roller ball, I can control how much comes out and how much I want to use. It has been very convenient and cost effective for my use.
And that's my point of view.